Hey there! If you're running into the last line no longer available error when you try to make calls on your iPhone, don't worry. This can be a bit annoying, but it's usually something we can fix pretty easily. Let's walk through some steps to get this sorted out. Solution 1. Toggle airplane mode on and off. Open up your settings, toggle on airplane mode, wait for about 30 seconds, toggle airplane mode off. Quickly after that, restart your iPhone and see if the problem is gone. Solution 2. Clear your recent call history. Open the phone app, then tap on the Recents tab. Next, tap Edit in the top right corner. Tap Clear in the top left corner. Select Clear All Recents to confirm. Try making a call and check if the error still appears. Solution 3. Eject and reinsert the SIM card. Use a SIM ejector tool or a paperclip to eject the SIM card tray from your iPhone. Remove the SIM card and wait for about 30 seconds. Reinsert the SIM card and close the tray. Try making a call to see if the error is still there. Solution 4. Turn off restrictions. Open the Settings app, then scroll down a bit. After that, tap on Screen Time. Then scroll down again. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now toggle this feature off. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General. Then scroll down again and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. Your phone will restart. Try making a call and check if the error persists. Solution 6. Check for the iOS update. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap General. Next, tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. If you found a new update, go ahead and update your iPhone. Try making a call to see if the issue is fixed. Hopefully, one of these solutions does the trick for you. If you're still having trouble or need more help, just drop a comment below. Thanks so much for watching.